Kentucky, southeastern Trimble County and central Kentucky, western Henry County and central Kentucky, until 4 p.m. At 3:37 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Log Range, moving northeast at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect considerable tree damage. Damage is likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Newcastle around 3:45 p.m.
A tornado watch remains in effect until 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for Central Kentucky. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Intense thunderstorm lines can produce brief tornadoes and widespread significant wind damage. Although a tornado is not immediately likely, it is best to move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The storm may cause serious injury and physical property damage.
And continue into the evening. Rainfall totals of 1 to 2.5 inches are